Hi everyone, today we're going to take a couple of minutes and review some of the stuff that you should have learned last year in Algebra 1. The first thing we're going to talk about is we're going to discuss how to find the slope of a line. We do so by using our rise over run equation. We're going to have the points x1, y1 and x2, y2. We're going to go ahead and subtract the y values, then subtract the x values and set up our ratio, and that should give us the slope. Once we have our slope, we usually have to come up with the equation of the line. There are two forms that we typically work with more than the third, and so we're going to talk about those today as well. The first form that you should know is called the slope-intercept form. This is our y equals mx plus b equation. Remember, m is the slope and b is our y-intercept. The second form that you should be familiar with is called our point slope form. This is the one where we need to know the coordinates of a point on our line as well as the slope. Our equation looks like this. Y minus y1 equals m times the quantity x minus x1. Remember, m is still our slope and x1, y1 is going to be a point on the line. When you're working with slope, remember there are four values that your slope can take on. We can have positive slope, negative slope, zero slope, or even undefined slope. I'd like you to take a minute now, go ahead and pause your recording and try and work out the following problem. What is the equation of the line passing through the points 3, 3, and 4, 7? How'd you do? Here's what you should have come up with. First, we need to find the slope. We are going to go ahead and subtract our y values and subtract our x values. That sets up the ratio 4 over 1. In other words, our slope is positive 4. Next, we're going to use the point slope form of our linear equation. We know now that the slope is 4, and we're going to go ahead and use that first point, 3, 3, that was given to us. We end up with the equation y minus 3 equals 4 times the quantity x minus 3. Tomorrow in class we're going to go over this some more with additional examples, as well as applying this to the geometry that we've been working on with parallel and perpendicular lines. If you need to go back and review the video so you can take a couple of quick notes, that would be a great idea, because I will not be reteaching this material in class. See you tomorrow!